It's this fast fluid steering wheel he's about to install. 13 inches, 1 inch smaller than the original. It's for the car. In fact, what about this quick release steering wheel? It's just that the base must be dedicated to a special car. This steering wheel can be removed separately. That's all. It looks like there are a few things, but it's not easy to install. You need a plum blossom before installation. Twist the screw on the left and right sides. After twisting these 2 nails, then unplug this plug. You didn't know why. Then just unplug it. Airbags like this. Otherwise, it's not good. Then there is another inside. We need a wrench to help me hold the steering wheel. What about all these plugs? You can take the steering wheel out. It turns out to be marked with this. Be sure. Just don't touch it. And this wall wire can't be turned at will. Then this steering wheel can be easily removed. Then it's all very simple. The speaker cable is the hardest. You have to find a way to pick him up. There are many old masters who don't understand. This is Is it the cable of the airbag? Then you just need resistance docking. Here's the hardest part. How does it work? It's the iron that hits the body. Do you hear me? The next step is to install the steering wheel of the express car. What about this base? Dedicated to this base. This label. Then just press it down. There are several grooves behind the bottom. It has to be right. If it doesn't fit, it's the other way around. Probably twist it with your hands first. This base. Let's continue to test this base. Metal to metal. There is a negative electrode here. Touch the horn and it still rings. Continue testing. Then it's time to install this quick release base. Install the steering wheel directly. It's not removable. You have to add this quick dismantling. Take a look. So you need to install this base. This is also universal. The steering wheel is universal. Quick dismantling is also universal. Okay, so what about actually like this base? Just pick up the one from the original car. This speaker cable. Just find a way to strike the iron. It will have the sound of a speaker. That can be tested in this way. Well, prove it's no problem. Stuff it all inside. Then, just twist it well. Okay, so what about now? To test, take a metal one and match it with these 2. Prove okay. And this base is installed. Okay, what about after it's installed? Press to turn it in place, and he will get stuck by himself. As soon as they meet. Okay, no problem. And this speaker button is installed. It will be done soon. If you are alone, hold this steering wheel, then plug it in here. This car needs to be powered on before the horn will sound. Then we need to put this one. Unplug. Then put this cover on first. Then plug it in. Try again. If you give up, he has no backing track. Maybe the order is wrong. Test it again, no problem. And then I'm going to draw this line, according to the location you want. What about this leg? Yeah, it's right now. Okay. Hurry up and find a nail to go through. Temporarily fix one, so you can free your hands. Okay. Turn it on. Okay. Okay, now. Everything is fine. It is also convenient to disassemble and assemble. You can see that this speed limit gear is outside the bear belt. Just put it on. But when I put it on, I found out. So we need to crop it. Just fix it. Very simple. Like it's thick a bit thick. You can cut it according to your own situation. This is domestic. It means that many things are DIY. Then we put it on. Let's ignore the bottom. Understand? Up to, above. There's still so much more under pressure. And this one has to be cut out too. Trimmed. That's about it. It's relatively beautiful. Just put it on. This one comes without nails. This one with nails. I didn't really like it. Although it is domestic. And it's quick to disassemble and assemble. Right, how does that feel?